Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel where I share insights into life as an expat in Bermuda. In my last video, we talked about transportation options on the island. Today, I want to focus on what you need to know if you're staying long-term and plan to purchase a vehicle. Specifically, I'll explain the process of obtaining a Bermudian driver's license and share some of my personal struggles with it. In another video, I'll dive into the steps for buying and registering a vehicle. Let's get started. First things first, to drive in Bermuda, you must have a Bermudian driver's license, even if you already have a valid license from your home country. This is required to operate or own a motor vehicle or motorbike. It's worth noting that Bermuda has a one vehicle per household policy, but exceptions are made for certain jobs. For me, it was a bit of a culture shock. Back home, I enjoyed the freedom of owning a car and moving around as I pleased. Starting from scratch and taking driver's ed again felt strange, but it's a necessary step here. Also, keep in mind that before applying, you must be a resident on the island for at least 30 days. A helpful tip: Bermuda's official government website allows you to book an orientation lesson with a local driving instructor. I highly recommend this. The roads here are quite different, and the road markings are not what I was used to. Taking an orientation helped me get familiar with the local driving conditions. Your first official step is to complete an application form, but there's a twist. A section of this form must be filled out by a doctor to certify that you're medically fit to drive. You'll need to book a medical exam, during which your doctor will assess a range of health factors, including vision, heart health, history of fainting or dizziness, diabetes or epilepsy, and mental health conditions. These requirements are detailed on the government website. Once you've passed the medical exam, you can apply for a learner's permit, which as of 2024 costs just $27. The next step is the written exam. As an expat, I had to bring my passport, work permit, and birth certificate to register for the test. I found the Bermuda Transport Control Department's handbook very helpful. It even includes practice questions that are structured similarly to the actual test. The fees for the written exam vary based on the license type, ranging from $38 to $50. Once you've passed your written exam, it's time for the driving test. If you've already been driving a scooter or twizy on the island, you may feel more confident taking this test since you'll have some familiarity with the roads. However, I did find it odd that tourists can rent and drive electric vehicles without needing a Bermudian license, a medical exam, or much knowledge of the road signage. Yet, as a resident, you must go through the full licensing process to drive a car. This process can be tedious, but it ensures that all residents meet strict safety standards. Once you've successfully obtained your Bermudian driver's license, it's valid for up to 10 years. If you're still on the island when it's time to renew, the process is straightforward. First, retake the initial medical examinations. Then, complete the original application form, checking the renewal box this time. For expats who plan to stay until retirement, this information will be especially helpful. Getting a driver's license in Bermuda might feel like a lot of work, but it's worth it if you value the comfort of driving a car. If you're an expat like me, it's all about finding what works best for you and making the most of your time on this beautiful island. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content about life as an expat in Bermuda. Until next time.